In a bid to make this Yuletide memorable, Mmabuaburochukwu Foundation has given succor to widows in Mbaukwu, Awka South Council area. Mmabuaburochukwu Foundation is a non-governmental organization that invests in others, improve the well-being of the downtrodden, give voice to the voiceless, and show love to others, which is reflected in its motto, "We rise by lifting others." Amaka Chubuzokoye has details.
It was against this backdrop that the foundation shared 250 high-quality wrappers and assorted drinks to widows of the community. Addressing the widows and others who gathered at the Mbaukwu Civic Center, the founder and chief executive of Mmabuaburochukwu Foundation, Chief Abuchi Atta, said it was part of his steps to put laughter on the faces of the women. Chief Atta maintained that the widows, they depend solely on their children and on acts of benevolence from people of goodwill like him, asking them to be strong in prayers.
Whenever I have something I like to share it with people around me, especially the widows. Because even in the Bible, they let us know that Jesus is the husband of the widows. So I'm also a child of God, so I have to help them and go to them, giving food. The only thing I have to tell them is that they be strong in prayer. People around them, their sons, and anybody at all.
A stakeholder in the community who is a friend to the foundation, Mr. Peter Uzo Ezilo, commended Chief Atta for the gesture and acknowledged that many of them look out for such gifts following the situation of the country. Mr. Uzo Ezilo stated that he has the widows at heart too, which is the reason he solicited for such support from Mmabuaburochukwu Foundation.
Good Lord will guide and protect them, provide for them, bless them, and give them long life.
A member of the foundation, Mrs. Florence Ngugu, noted that the organization, through the founder, has impacted people's lives by building houses for the indigent, training and empowering youths, and seeing to the release of innocent inmates from correctional centers. She assured the women that Chief Atta will keep investing in them, expressing their gladness to the benefactor. Mrs. Alice Okafor, on behalf of all the women, prayed God to replenish Chief Atta with all his heart's desires, keep and guide him so that he will enjoy the fruits of his labor.
So no,